we are finally putting my full Valvetronic exhaust on this car. Man, that is so much better. No more saggy diaper. Thing sounds sick. Top of the morning, welcome back to another video. It's your boy with the clean shoes coming at you live from the M4. Hope you guys are all doing well. I am doing splendid, not even fantastic. You know why? Because we are finally putting my full Valvetronic exhaust on this car, and I am super excited because I really want to hear how this thing sounds. Welcome to the Shoe Palace. We are here. This thing is clean, freaking clean. All these damn wheels. I really have a wheel problem. Now that we are custom tuned, even though this thing's not like maxed out or fully turned up, this tire setup in the rear does not work. As far as like doing runs and actually trying to race people on this setup, it is not gonna work at all. What I'm gonna try to do, I'm gonna put my 18s on, I'm gonna see how the car feels. Maybe, I think maybe, since we aren't fully turned up, these might work. It's a 305, 35 R888 18. I know they'll spin a little bit, but once they're warm, they actually might just work. Don't know until I try it. I don't really think second will hook at all, but third might hook with these. So I'm gonna try it out. Since I'm here, I'm just gonna swap all of them over so that way it doesn't look too stupid with the Meister in the front and one of these in the back. These are definitely way lighter than the Meisters. These are probably like 24 pounds, I would say. Maybe 25 or 26. Not 100% sure on that. But those 18s are only 18 pounds. I'm gonna swap those over, see how the car feels. It should feel pretty damn fast with those wheels. And yeah, we're gonna see if we can get some traction in the chat, because I can't even use the power right now.
A little longer than a few minutes later.
Okay, 8 Tizzles is back on there. Honestly, the 18s look really good with the wing. Obviously these wheels are on the racing side, so the 18 with the meaty tire looks pretty good with the wing. Complements it a little bit. That's how I know when I put all the T's on there, oof, that shit is gonna be busting. All right guys, we out of here. I gotta go to PQ and we're gonna get this exhaust installed. Can't wait to hear this thing. Welcome back. I forgot what it was like to drive on the 18s. Definitely gotta turn those down. Not gonna lie to you guys, I haven't had the 18s on this car in a while, and bruh, this thing drives so much better. Just the overall feel in general, it just feels better. Champ. Don't want the Valvetronic to slide and hit the carbon buckets, you feel me? Alright, we're gonna turn these burbles off because just a little too much. So once this opens up, I'm gonna do like a third gear hit and just see what happens. Maybe it'll hook, maybe it won't. Only one way to find out. All right, guys, let's see if we can get third to hook a little bit. This guy just gets out of my way. I didn't floor it all the way, but it definitely hooked way better than the other tire setup did. And tires are 100 degrees, so they're definitely warm. Not bad. So maybe if I ease into second and then go full throttle into third, it might kind of hook. Maybe not. That wasn't bad though. Ain't gonna lie to you guys, these wheels look a lot better with the wing. Fits the vibe. Man, I need some armor on now, fool. Turn the Tome on. It's time, fellas. Exhaust boys. Man, look at all these ugly ass front ends. Red calipers needs to be gone. That's next. Well, actually I think bumper's next. I don't know. That shit already sounded like I got an exhaust. We got the carbon tips and the inside is black now. That's different. Okay, I see you. But we also have... Jeez, is that a Tome, dog? So, I kind of wanted to go more with these since I'm doing blue calipers. I think that'll look hard. So, I'll probably just throw these on first. If I don't like them, then I'll put the carbon ones. There it is, guys. Oof. This is gonna sound great. So I decided to use the burnt tip ones because, like I said, I'm doing the calipers blue, so I think that was like a nice touch. But if I feel like it's too much, then I could just put the carbon ones. These are 4-inch, so I'm curious to see how they'll look. Maybe they'll look a little too big, maybe not. I don't know. This car has a pretty big ass, so I think they'll fit it. Yeah, man. Finally getting rid of that big ass diaper we got going on, and got some real sound. So, like always, man, huge shout out to my guys over at Valvetronic. I will throw their info, website in the bio. Definitely cop something from them, man. They make quality shit. No matter what car you got, they'll make that shit sound good, I promise. Alright, let's take a look at the saggy diaper. No, man, it's ugly. We already have the mid. Ready to go, just pop that off. I'm praying that the tips clear my diffuser. If not, I'm probably gonna have to put the carbon ones. Check it out. Man, that is so much better. No more saggy diaper. Here's how it's kind of looking. I'll bring that one out a little more too. These look absolutely sick. The burnt tips look crazy. Here's the carbon tip. It's just like kind of stealth vibes, like you don't really notice it. It doesn't pop, doesn't stand out, but it still looks good. But my concern is we're trying to fit this the best we can without it touching. I don't want to melt the shit out of the diffuser, so yeah, we're trying to make it work. I definitely 100% want to run these tips, but these ones will kind of protect the diffuser because it has this carbon cover around it. So I don't know. Like, this definitely has more of an OEM look, but these just look sick. Got the dual tome right there. Ooh, especially once I do blue calipers, like that's just gonna, like, you know, the little accents. Alright guys, it should be all good. Got it to work. Sheesh. Got the 40 tomes on there, fool. Definitely closed. Sounds good. That actually sounds really good. What the fuck? You just riding a quad? What the hell? So honestly, low RPM, it's not bad. It's no drone. Oh, this exhaust is great. It's like not loud at all at the low RPM, and the valves are open right now. Valvetronic for the win. Let me turn the burbles on. Oh shit. Yeah, I need to adjust the burbles. God damn. Yeah, I still gotta adjust those. I want no burbles. Damn. Oh, this thing sounds great, bruh. Truthfully, I thought it was gonna be like way more obnoxious in the low RPM, but it's not. It sounds super good. Shout out to Valvetronic, bro. This thing sounds amazing. It's like doing the S58 justice right now. I truthfully like really thought it would be a lot like louder and raspier at the low RPM, but it's not. not dead hooking, but oh, a snack. Hey, come here, boy. Bring that ass here. Plot twist, he's twin turboed. You actually have to like bring the RPMs up for this thing to make noise, which is, some people might think it's a bad thing because maybe it's not loud enough for you on the low RPM, but it's very tamed. See, like now it just gradually gets louder. Whoa, buddy. God damn. That's why your door fucked up, driving like that. All right, let's make some noise. God damn. Yeah, I still need to do another flash because these burbles are OG. Come on, man, you really stop for this shit? I'm gonna stop just because I'm filming. Sheesh. Yeah, those shits are like gunshots, bro. I need to fix that. That's what'll get you stay ref quick. Alright guys, so I am currently cruising on the freeway at freeway speeds, and honestly I can still hear my tires. So there is absolutely zero drone. Let me drop it down a gear. Alright, now I'm at 2500. No drone. The car is still super quiet. I'll drop it one more gear. Making a little bit of noise at like 2900, but it's still not like too loud. I feel like this is what most exhausts sound like when you're cruising. I'm pretty sure you guys can hear my tires, right? That should show you like how quiet it is.
Day.
So we are here, guys, day 2 with the full Valvetronic exhaust, and honestly, man, I love it. It's like, it's not too much, but at the same time, it has what you want. Let's just put it that way. I could have gone full titanium, but that's like where the rasp starts kicking in, and like all the titanium exhausts kind of sound the same. So I just went stainless because in my opinion, I just think the stainless sounds a little more tamed, not like so crazy. Like I feel like titanium exhaust on these cars like entering S58 sound. Not bad, but I don't know. This sounds really good. But truthfully, I don't think you can appreciate this exhaust on video because it sounds a lot better in person. No viral. So if I ease into third, it actually like hooks pretty decent, but I can't like mash it. I don't know if this setup will actually work if I try to go out and do runs, because obviously if I'm doing a run, I'm gonna want to like brake boost and stuff like that. So to be able to do proper runs, we need to be able to brake boost in this thing and hook at the same time. So I'm definitely gonna get another tire. For sure this car needs a street R. I think if I had a street R, I'm pretty sure once I warm up the tires, we might be able to get second gear to hook. So that's what I'm really looking for. If I can get second to hook in this car, bruh, That's just gonna be quick. So yeah, it's pretty much Bengal. Oh, that shit farted right now. I'm fucking queefed. Oh. Thing sounds sick.
Much later.
On that note, guys, I hope you enjoyed this. Be sure to drop a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel.